What's going on, guys? In this episode, I'm giving away one of the best kept secrets to flying your drone like a pro. And it's right here in this bag. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, Art here off the Dome Media Group. Welcome back. This is going to be a quick giveaway of a secret tip that was given to me a few years ago. Before I let the cat out of the bag, let me give you a little background info. As I said more than a few episodes ago, before I jumped into the world of SUAS or drones, I flew RC helos and planes. Although I was probably an average pilot at best at the time flying both. When the DJI Phantom craze hit, I dropped the helicopters and the planes and went all in with the quads. One of my RC mentors at the time happened to be a licensed commercial fixed wing and helicopter pilot.
If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
One day we happened to be at the RC airfield at the same time, and he saw me flying my DJI Phantom. He also saw that I wasn't the greatest Phantom pilot at the time.
Hey, the camera's working.
He pulled me to the side and said these 14 words to me that changed my flying forever. Your orientation and hovering suck.
Damn!
Go back to your single rotor and practice more. So I did just that. I pulled out what I think was one of my old WL Toys 6-channel helicopters and started practicing again. I worked on my hovering, my orientation, my coordinated turns, and my landings, and I got better. So you're saying, okay, big deal. What's this got to do with me? What's the best kept secret to flying your drone like a pro? If you haven't figured it out yet, it's single rotor helicopters. What I have in this bag is one of the mini micro helicopters. I think this is the Blade Mini CP, one of the mini helicopters that I destroyed while learning how to fly and practicing all over again. Practicing with 6-channel helos will help you develop the stick sensitivity that you need to fly quads. This is especially true for racing quads because they tend to fly more like single rotor helicopters than traditional quads. Single rotor helicopters will also help you tighten up your coordinated turns, and coordinated turns are banking turns where you would use both sticks at the same time. Your stick control and sensitivity will increase quickly and exponentially practicing with single rotor helicopters. You can do this one of two ways. You can pick up a cheap 6-channel helicopter or download a simulator, or do both. In either case, it'll step your flying game up big time, period. If you're doing FPV racing, video, photography, or just flying for fun, you'll become a better, safer pilot and have more fun. Well, that's it for me on this one. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, and share. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.